Hello everyone, Sharif Abu Zaid here with a new video, and in today's video I want to show you how you can use WordPress to build an online course website to start selling your online courses. Now when it comes to choosing an option or a plugin for WordPress to build your online course, there are many options that you can choose from, but if you ask for my recommendation, the answer would be that you need to check Learndash. Learndash is one of the most popular, if not the most popular, learning management system plugins. It is one of the oldest, one of the most popular. It has so many integrations, and the best part about Learndash is the team behind Learndash, because it gives you an amazing support. They always listen to their customers' feedback, and they try their best to give you the best experience when it comes to building an online course. Now this is a premium plugin. It means that you need to buy the plugin if you want to use it, but there is a money back guarantee period or a refund period of, I think, 14 days, maybe 30 days. You have to check this with their support team. You can use the plugin to test it during this refund period. If you don't like it, you can just refund your payment. If you like it and you need to keep using it, you can keep using the license for about 1 year. If you plan to buy the plugin, I would appreciate it if you use my affiliate link down below as appreciation for teaching you how you can use Learndash. Now once you buy Learndash, you will have access to your account page where you can just download the plugin itself. Also you'll have access to your license key. It is easy to download or install the plugin. All you need to do is to go to your WordPress dashboard, then click plugins, click add new, and you know the procedure. Upload the plugin and click activate the plugin. Once you do this, of course, the next step is to activate your plugin, your Learndash license key, and you can do this by going to the Learndash menu, then click settings, and here you'll find a new tab called LMS license. You just click here and you go and add your email and license key, and now you are done. You can start using the plugin itself. I prefer that before adding your courses, you need to check the tabs here inside the settings tab. For example, if you want to add your colors, these are the colors that will appear when someone tries to study your online course. Of course, you need to add your brand colors. You can add here at least like 3 colors here. You can add your logo. You can add the focus mode, which I will come back to later. If you want to have like being enrolled automatically inside your courses, you can do this here. I think this is the most important part inside the settings or the general settings of the plugin itself. Now Learndash itself comes with so many add-ons. Add-ons means that many plugins that you can use to make Learndash more powerful. For example, if you want to sell your online course, you can use an add-on for the WooCommerce plugin that you can help you sell your online courses, and you can have access to all of these plugins or add-ons under the add-ons tab here. These are all the add-ons that comes with Learndash. For example, you can use Learndash course reviews, Learndash migration. If you have already created an online course with another plugin, you can use the Learndash migration to migrate all of your courses. There is another amazing add-on called Learndash course grid if you want to show or display your many courses in a sort of a grid. So make sure that you check out all of these add-ons, because it makes it easy for you to integrate Learndash with other plugins as well. Once you do this, now you are ready to start to create your first course. Now let me show you how you can actually create this course. So let's go to courses, and to create a new course, all you need to do is to click add new. And here you'll find, I think, like 5 tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The dashboard tab is the dashboard that will give you a broad overview about how many students have been enrolled in your course, their progress, how many haven't started, how many have completed the course, and some additional information. The course page is where you can add the course title, add an introduction about the course itself. The builder is the tab that we'll use to display the outline of our course itself. For example, how many sections do we need to add to our online course? how many lessons under each section, and also here we can add quizzes to our lessons as well. Now for the extended access, this is where you can set an expiry date for the course. Maybe you are just giving this course for the first time and you need people to sign up, and then you need to collect their feedback and then stop people from enrolling. You can stop new students from enrolling in this course until you analyze the feedback. You can do this under the extend access. Also under the settings, this is an important tab that we will come back in a few moments. Now let's start with the course page. Here we need to add a course title. This is my course title. I think also we need to add some content here. Of course, here you can add text and you can add videos, you can add images, you can add many things inside this page. This is the introduction to the course page. So let me just copy some dummy text from here and paste it here. And this is my text that I want to show as an introduction to my course. Of course, here you can add, as I mentioned, images and you can add videos. So let's try to add a video. If you want to add a video, let's click here. You can just click the plus button. Let's search for YouTube. Maybe this is a video that I want to import from YouTube. I just click here. And let's go to YouTube and let's click share and let's get a link. Now let's go back to our link here. Let's add it here and let's click embed. Now this YouTube video will be displayed here. Of course, you need to, if you are serious about your courses, you need to host your course videos inside a dedicated video hosting service. You can host these videos inside Bunny CDN or Bunny streaming inside Vimeo. I will leave down below a link to another video where I talk more about where you can host your online course videos. Now our course page is ready, and we can click publish and we can view the page itself. So let's view the page, the course page. So this is our course page. I think we need to add maybe a featured image as the background for the course name. To do this, we need to go to our course page under the featured image. We can choose one. So let's choose, let's choose this one and let's click set as featured image. Let's click update. And now let's go to our course page and let's click refresh. And this is our course page. Now, if you want to add, as I mentioned, the sections, the lessons for your online course, you can do this under the builder tab. So let's say that I need to have like 2 sections. Under each section, I need to have 2 lessons. To do this, we need to add a section. First section heading, and let's say section 1, for example, or preparing the meal, let's say preparing the kitchen, and let's add a section heading, and let's add 2 lessons under this section. To add a lesson, we need to click add a new lesson, and let's say lesson, lesson A, for example, add a lesson, and let's click lesson, add a lesson. Let's call this lesson B, add a lesson. Now we need to add another section to the course itself. We can just click add a new section title. We call this preparing the meal, let's call this preparing the breakfast meal, let's fix this error. It looks nice. Let's add a section and let's add a lesson. Let's say lesson C, and let's add another lesson and let's call this lesson D, and let's add a lesson. Now let's click update and let's go again to the course page itself. Let's click refresh, and here down below we'll find, I think this is our 2 sections, preparing the kitchen and then preparing the breakfast meal. Now we have 2 sections, with each section has 2 lessons. Now to add content to these lessons, it's very easy to do this with Learndash. All you need to do is to click edit, and now you'll go to the lesson page itself. And this is one of the most important features that I like about Learndash, because now lessons, I can add more features. I can make this a media rich lesson. I can add text, videos, images, tables. I can add links to everything inside this page. There are other learning management system plugins that will not enable you to do this inside your lessons page. So let me copy again some text here inside this lesson page here, and let's add a video. Let's click here. Let's add the same video. Let me copy the link. Let's add it here. Let's add the YouTube link or widget, and let's click embed, and let's click update. Now let's go to our course page. Let's click refresh. Now when I click to the lesson A page, I'm redirected into the lesson itself, and I can mark this as a complete lesson. Here I can mark it as a complete lesson. Now you can do this for the rest of your course lessons. I mean, let's disregard this. I mean, you can add all your content, your text, your images inside each of these lessons. Now, under the settings tab, this is an important tab and you need to be aware of. I mean, you can't close any course without checking the settings tab. Now, let's go to the access mode. Now, we have here 5 access modes. Now, for the first one, which is open, if you choose this, now your course will be open. No one needs to enroll or register inside your WordPress website to be able to access this course. Everyone will have access to the course. Now, the free access mode means that people need to register inside your WordPress website to have access to this course. Still, this is a free course, but they can't just study it outside of the website or from the front end of the website. They need to access, to log in to your website to access the course. Now, buy now button means that you can use Learndash payment options to sell your course. You can just add a course price here, and you can add the enrollment URL here. Recurring means that this is something like recurring, like a membership website, but this is not a good option inside Learndash. If you want to build a Learndash, or if you want to build a membership website, definitely you need to use a dedicated membership plugin. Now, the option that I always use is called closed, and the funny thing is that the access mode name doesn't reflect how powerful this mode is. Now, closed means no one can access this course unless they buy it, and you can use many options when it comes to selling your online course, or where you can enable people to buy your online course. I mean, if once you choose closed, now you can use WooCommerce to sell this online course. You can use ThriveCart, you can use, I think, SimCard, you can use Easy Digital Downloads, you can use Wishlist MemberPress. You can use a ton of options or plugins to sell your online course. Of course, each option comes with their pros and cons, but it is important that you choose the closed option. This is the most important part inside the settings tab. Now, for the course prerequisites, I mean, there are many options here. You can add points if someone completes this course. You can add a start and end date for the course. You can enforce people to study this course. Let's say that from the 15th of May to the 30th of May. And after this, the course will be closed. You can add course materials. You can issue a certificate for the course. I mean, there are many other options here. The most important one, I think, is, or the next one after the access mode, is the course progression, linear or free form. Now, this course progression means that linear, it means that people should study the course in sequence or in order. I mean, the student can't move to student number 5 unless they complete the lessons from 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you choose free form, this means that students will have more freedom when it comes to moving between lessons. They can just study this lesson and skip it, and skip the next one and study the next one. I mean, they can study the first lesson, skip 2 lessons, and then study the 4th lesson. I usually like to use the linear option to make sure that my students study each and every lesson inside my courses. And then let's click update. Now our course is almost ready to be sold, so let's click here. Let's go to our course page. I think this is the course page. You know what, let's go to the course page here, and let's open it in a new tab. Now this is my course page, and here I have my lessons inside my course. But maybe this course doesn't look like. I think there is another step that we can make this course more enjoyable, we can add it, we can make this experience more enjoyable, and we can do this under the Learndash settings. So let's go to Learndash settings. Remember the focus mode that I told you about. Once you enable it, you will give your students a more enjoyable experience. So let's just click here to activate the focus mode. Let's click save, and let's go to the same lesson. This is the lesson. Let's click refresh, and this is how your lessons will look like. I think this is a more enjoyable experience for the students for many reasons. Reason number one is that now they will see a progress bar that shows their progress, how they are, how far they have gone through studying your course. They have access or an overview of all the lessons of the course once they are just inside one of these lessons. I think this is a good experience for the students. Of course, you can have, you can increase the width of how does your lessons make, I mean this part, how wide is your lessons content. Again, you can just go to under the focus mode. Let's make this 1280, and let's make the the sidebar to the right. Let's click save. Let's go to the lesson again. Let's click refresh. Now it is wider, and also the lessons are to the right sidebar. So now we have created our lessons. Now we need to learn how to sell these lessons. As I mentioned, there are many options that you can choose from to sell your courses created with Learndash. But the first option that comes to my mind is always the WooCommerce plugin. Now, WooCommerce is a free WordPress plugin. You can just go to plugins. Let's go to plugins. Where is plugins? And click add new. And all you need to do is search for WooCommerce here. This is, and search for WooCommerce. And this is the plugin that we are looking for. Let's wait for a second. This is the plugin that we are looking for. This is a free plugin. This is the most popular payment options when it comes to using it to ask people to pay for your courses. It is easy to set up this plugin. You can do this by going to Learndash and then go to add-ons. First step is to activate the add-ons, the Learndash, the WooCommerce for Learndash add-on. Make sure that you choose, make sure that you install it, and then you click activate to activate the add-on itself. Once you do this, I need you to go to WooCommerce. Under settings, there is an option here that you need to be aware of, which is under accounts and privacy. Make sure that you check the allow customers to create an account during checkout. Make sure you uncheck this one because it comes checked by default. So make sure that you allow customers to create an account. Of course, you need to add your payment gateways. You can connect WooCommerce to Stripe, PayPal. There are many other plugins that can make it easy for you to connect Learndash, your WooCommerce with Stripe, for example. Under the general tab, there are some options here you need to be aware of. For example, you need to add your address line. You can also choose your currency and other options. Now, once you do this, once you have WooCommerce installed, and once you activate the WooCommerce for Learndash add-on, now all you need to do is to go to products and then click add a new product. And let's give this a name. So let's give this the name of our course. Let's give this product a name here. And let's add a short, let's add a description. Let's copy this here. Let's copy this description here. Sorry. And let's add it also as the product short description. And let's add a price. And now to connect the WooCommerce product with Learndash, we need to go to this product data and choose course and add our course here and click publish. Now, when someone buys this product, automatically they will be added, or they will have access to our course. So let's add an image, by the way, for the product itself, and let's click update. Now let's view this incognito mode. Let me just close this page. Now let's open this incognito mode to show you the experience of going through this. So this is the WooCommerce product. When people click add to cart and then click view cart, they will have access to the checkout page. And once they add their payment information and they buy the WooCommerce product, now they will have access to of course to the online course itself. If you want to add a link to the menu for the course, now we have already created our course, we have set up our payment integration. Now we need to give people access to the course page. You can easily do this by going to let's go to appearance and then click menus, and let's choose, remove this one. This was done during testing, and I think under custom links, let's add a link to the course. So let's go to the course page, let's open it again, take this link here, and here let's add it here, and let's say cooking course, and let's add it to the menu, and let's move it here after the home page, and let's click save menu, and then let's view with the website, and you'll find the course page here. Now this is our course page. Let's open it in incognito mode, and let's close this. Let's open it here. Now when people try to buy this, we need to add a link here or a button where we can ask people to buy this course. So this is how easy you can create an online course using Learndash and WooCommerce, and this is the experience that your students will go through when they try to study or when they are studying your online course. As I mentioned, Learndash is my recommended WordPress plugin when it comes to creating your online course. So let's go to the course page, let's check their pricing. They have, I think, flexible pricing. Now if you want to have this for one website, all you need is almost like 200 a year. I think this is an affordable cost if you are serious about your courses, your online course business. If you want to install this in 10 websites, almost 400 unlimited. This is for agencies. I think also the 10 website package is for agencies as well. I think you can start with the 1 year package, and then as I mentioned, you have, I think, 14 to 30 days refund period if you want to refund your money. No questions asked by the Learndash team. They are an amazing, this is an amazing plugin. It has so many features, it has so many integrations. The team behind Learndash is another amazing, a very amazing team. Actually, their response is very quickly. When I have something wrong with the settings, I just ask them how to can fix this. They will reply to me under less than 24 hours. Again, I will leave down below my affiliate link for Learndash. I will appreciate it if you use it to buy Learndash, because I get small commission that will keep me recording videos for this YouTube channel. Now, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.